dancers! I'm Leslie here and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am posting it from sunny Southern California, San Clemente, and I'm very happy to introduce this dance to you. It is called Black Coffee. It's choreographed by Helen from Ireland, and the music is Black Coffee by Lacey J. Dalton. It's a slower dance. I really like this music. Mind you, I like all the music. Anyway, it is a 48 count. It's a beginner dance, maybe a high beginner because it's got 48 counts in it, but the steps are easy. No tags, no restarts, introduction, 16 counts. So let me get to teaching it you. I will turn around. And it starts with 2 kicks on the right leg. Kick, kick, and then a triple step in place, which is 3 little steps. Right, left, right. And then we repeat with the left leg. Kick, kick, 3 little steps in place. 1, 2, 3. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going on, we're going to take 2/8 of a pivot to turn a quarter. 1 and 2. And now I'm facing 9 o'clock. Now I am going to do a rock recover with my right foot leading, forward on the right, step back on the left, and then I'm going to do a turning step together step or shuffle step with the right leg. Step together step. I've turned over my right shoulder and I'm now facing 3 o'clock. I'm going to repeat that. I've got my left leg free. Rock, recover, step together step over my left shoulder to face 9 o'clock again. And I'm going to finish it with a heel, a heel, a heel, and a clap. All right, let's do that again. Starting with the kick, kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick. Triple in place. Pivot 8. Pivot 8. Rock, recover, shuffle step. Rock, recover, shuffle step. Heel and heel and heel and clap. All righty, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, triple step. Kick, kick, triple step. 8th of a pivot, 8th of a pivot. Rock, recover, shuffle step. Rock, recover, shuffle step. A heel, a heel, a heel, and a clap. Let me do it with the counts. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Clap on 8. So, once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, triple step. Kick, kick, triple step. Step pivot, step pivot. Rock, recover, shuffle step. Rock, recover, shuffle step. Heel and heel and heel, clap. Counts with it. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So let me show you those little pivots. Let me start here. I'm going to step forward and I'm going to just pivot an 1/8, like an 1/8 of a circle. I'm going to tap again, step on it, and pivot. And then it's heel. You just change your weight, heel, and clap. Okay, let's go on. Now we are going to do a step to the side. I'm going to do it on the diagonal so you can see it better, but it's facing 9 o'clock. Step the right leg out to the side, not too wide. Shimmy, come over and step the left in. Take the right out, shimmy, and step the left in. So the counts for that are 1, 2, bring it in, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Let's go from the heels. Ready? And 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Shimmy together, shimmy together. Okay, let me do it more on the diagonal. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. From the top, add that on. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Pivot and rock, recover, triple step. Rock, recover, triple step. Heel, switch, heel. Shimmy, shimmy together. Shimmy, shimmy together. So when you bring that in together, we're going to go in do a grapevine with that left leg. So make sure you've got it ready. Let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Pivot and rock, recover, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Heel and heel. Shimmy together. Shimmy together. So notice, sometimes I say shuffle step, sometimes I say triple step, sometimes I'll say step together step. But it's just sideways, 1, 2, 3. Or straight forward, 1 and 2. I beg your pardon, to the side also it's 1 and 2. Or if I'm turning with around, it's 1 and 2. Whether it's a triple step, shuffle step, whatever you want to call it. All right, let's go on. So we're still facing this way. And to get her out of this little corner here, we're going to do a grapevine to the left. We're not going to turn, we're still facing 9 o'clock. So you step with the left leg to the side, behind with the right step, and scuff. Okay, so we've just done a shimmy. We're going to step out with the left, behind with the right, out with the left, and scuff. So let's go from the heels, the shimmies, and the grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, add that on from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Pivot, and rock, recover, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Switch those heels with a gap. Shimmy together, grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? Going on. We're going to step out. I'm doing it kind of on the diagonal so you can see my feet, but it's really facing 9 o'clock. So you've got your leg up in the air after the scuff. You're going to step on it to the side, step the left leg behind, step the right one out to the side again, and step the left one, put all your weight on it, across the front of the right one. So facing you, it looks like this. Step behind, step across. We would call that a weave. There's some neat little arm movements in there. I'll face you and do it. When we step out, we're going to lift the arms up. When we step behind, we're going to bring the body and the arms down, then up for the out, and then down for the cross. So let's go from those heels. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3, and shimmy together, and shimmy together. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3. Step it out with the arms up, and back, and up, and in front. Yes? Did you do it? We're almost finished. So I'm going to finish it off right now. You're going to step forward with that right leg, facing 9, and you're going to pivot over your left shoulder, a pivot. When I say half a pivot, I mean half a circle. Then you're going to step again with that right leg and pivot over the left shoulder. Did I say right shoulder? That's my left shoulder, right? So step forward with the right leg, pivot over your left shoulder. Step forward, pivot over your left shoulder. That's the end of the dance. So that's 4 counts. That's 48 in total. Let me go from the heels and add that on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel. Back. Shimmy together and shimmy together. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3 with a scuff. Arms up, foot behind, arms up, foot in front. A step pivot and a step pivot. Let's do that with counts from the heels. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the end of the dance. So from the top, are you ready? I'll go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. Pivot, pivot. Rock, recover, half a shuffle turn. Rock, recover. Shuffle your heels, 2, 3. A shimmy together, a shimmy together. Grapevine left. 1, 2, 3. Scuff. And what are we going to do? We're going to step out to the side, the arms up, back, up, and front, and step, pivot, and step, pivot. Okay, let's just do it with counts. I'm going to count 8, everything in 8s. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of the dance. How many 8s are there? 6 of them. 6 8s are 48. It's a 4-wall dance, and we're going counterclockwise. I always say anti-clockwise. I don't know if that's a British thing or not, but anyway. All right, so should we put the music on? Let's try it. No, let's do another wall. Let's start here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. Pivot, pivot. Rock, recover, shuffle, step. Rock, recover, shuffle, heels. 1, 2, 3. Give me a shimmy and a shimmy, and a shimmy and a shimmy. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up and back and up and front and step pivot and step pivot. Then we start again. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick. 1, 2, 3. Anyway, I'm not going to do that because I'm going to do the whole thing with music. All right, enjoying it? I hope so. Please like and make some comments. Tell me what you think of my... This is all new to me, so it's not very professional, but I think it's professional enough. All right, so let's get the music going, and I will see you at the other end. Here we go. Oh! Stop. Okay, let me put the speakers on or else you won't be able to hear it. Okay, here we go. Let's go again. Ready? All right. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick. Kick, kick. Pivot.
Toast is burning.
Rock, recover. Shuffle. Rock, recover. Shuffle. Heels. Shuffle. Grapevine. Scuff. Up and down. shuffle step.
I don't know if I can live without you. I don't know if I can understand you. Don't know if I can, know if I can.
Pivot.
I could only think of one good reason to make this crazy love affair worth leaving. You know that I would. You know that I would. Hot coffee that morning. No good news in the news this morning.
Hip kick.
That feeling
Hip kick.
I'm losing
Pivot.
you.
Pivot. Rock, recover, shuffle. Heels. Grapevine.
I don't know if I can live without you. I don't know if I can understand you. Don't know if I can, know if I can. If I could only think of one good reason to make this crazy love affair worth leaving. Oh, you know that I would. You know that I would. White coffee, blue morning. Toast is burning and the rain keeps pouring. That feeling, I'm losing you. I got this bad feeling, I'm losing you. Black coffee.
I'm losing you. Ooh, ooh. Don't you like that song? I like the lilt of it. Anyway, thank you so much for coming to my channel. I'm Leslie from San Clemente. And please like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. And thank you very much. I'll make another one now. I'll change my clothes and I'll make another one. All right, bye everybody. Oh, wait. I've decided to do this so you don't see me come up too close like this to turn it off.